What up, what up, what up? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Fabulous followers, this is my Walk Chronicles ep.104, if I'm not mistaken. And from the new building, we have a trail that was supposed to take me to the old building. But I made way too many turns or didn't make the right turns, and let's just say I ended up a couple miles up the road. Boy, I was so out of breath when I got back to the office. One of my coworkers offered to come and get me, but anyway, I just got to go through here a few times and figure out the lay of the land. But I love nature trails. It's just something that makes the walking more exciting when I'm going in a nature trail versus a walking path, or what do you call them, treadmills, right? So yeah, that's what this video is all about. And I had went to sleep early. I tried, but my son called me. He has some things going on. No matter how old your children are, you always word and praying the best for them. So after we talked, it took me a minute to wind back down, but I did so. This must actually be a well-visited area because look, right? So they must sit there and watch the animals in the water. Wonder, can you fish right there? And then there's one of these here. Oh, upper trail. It says go that way, but this one doesn't say. So we're gonna keep going, see where we end up. Somebody said I'm gonna come out by the old building, but I don't think so by the way I'm going. I got a call from a principal at a high school. He still wants to talk about trying to get me in there. White ash rustic trail. I see somebody the other way, so we gonna go this way. And now I'm gonna come back to that upper trail sign. Interesting. It's not the easiest walk because we had rain, so luckily my shoes ain't getting muddy. I was wondering about that. So yeah, I'm not 100% sure that I'm ready to entertain another position at the high school level, but I'm willing to have a conversation with him because if he put them numbers high enough, it's going to elevate me out of my debt. This job allows me flexibility to get the fur baby, but I still have to think about financially supporting the fur baby's needs. But the other job through the school will allow me the opportunity to lower my debt faster. Taking a little break on one of the little chairs they put out here, and lower my debt faster and do some more things that I want to do. Save for a Sprinter van, do my international travels. Not saying I can't do it working here, but the numbers will be harder to crunch based on a lower income. So my advisor told me I was going to go from nothing to having to make a decision. And boy, was she right. already having a few clients makes it a little more difficult because I don't want to disappoint them by telling them I'm leaving already when somebody else just left. But I gotta do what's best for me and my future. God is gonna always lead me to service, but I'm just at a point where I'm trying to do better with my financial responsibility, mending my credit score, things of that nature. It's a nice little walk. Probably gonna have to go through multiple times before I really get the lay of it, because it seems like there's about 3 different paths I could have chosen. Maybe more. Red oak, bur oak, purple cone flower. They got benches everywhere, but I think the part I entered in, across from it, oh, you missed it. I don't know if it was a beaver, badger. I hope that everyone has an amazing week. Something resonates with you as you walked with me through this peaceful nature trail.
And you still gotta feel me. A house is a heart, I don't own no realty. Thought I paid my dues, but the game still billed me. They took my innocence, no surprise I pled guilty. Used to love to hit the court, now I hate to go. Used to rake leaves for money, now they pushing snow.